Hello everybody, James Glossop Travels here, and welcome to York, in particular the National Railway Museum. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you some of the locomotives within the museum itself, to give you a bit of an idea for if you ever fancy coming to the museum. So anyway, let's get started and take a look at what's to offer. And there you have it, a look at the locomotives, old and new, as you can see with the Hitachi, with the Azuma, within the National Railway Museum. I hope you enjoyed having a look at what I've seen. So anyway, if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget as always to give it a like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.